Introducing our customizable household pet treats containers with lid set of 2. These sleek metal storage canisters are made of galvanized steel, ensuring durability and a seamless welding finishing. With a food-grade material, these containers are perfect for storing pet treats and other items. Designed in a modern style, they are a great addition to your kitchen organization. Retain freshness and preserve the quality of your food with these eco-friendly, space-saving canisters. Available in white or customizable colors. Order now and enjoy the convenience these containers bring to your home.